Hi guys, I'm Inga, freelance illustrator. I have been painting for 15 years, so I have a bit of experience in this field. And I'm obsessed with watercolor, magical things, Procreate and cute stuff. And during my classes, I constantly share the knowledge that I have about the Procreate, especially how to create lovely watercolor illustrations digitally. So welcome back to my today's class, and today I will show you how to create lovely Christmas postcard, and I will show you a few ways and different styles how to do that. At the end of my class, you will learn more about the Procreate, especially I will tell you more about composition a little bit, and I will show you how to use layers, clipping mask, how to create watercolor texture paper, and how to add volume and color variations to your art. And most importantly, I will show you how to create watercolor postcards in Procreate using digital watercolor brushes in simple, fun and cute way. And I will show you the whole process from the start till finish. First of all, I will show you where to find freebies and how to import them into the Procreate along with creating texture paper. And we're gonna do it in a pretty fast way. Our next step will be talking about reference pictures and creating sketches. I prepared tons of stem brushes, so if you want to skip this part, it's totally fine, so you can use the stem brushes that I created. I will show you a few ways and styles how to create Christmas postcard, so you can experiment and see which style you like most. And we will have fun with composition too, so I will show you a few options of creating cute and harmonious designs. And finally, we will start adding colors, shades and highlights. I will show you how to create postcard easily, so you will be able to create your own illustration and then present it to one you love. And I truly believe that the gift made by yourself really is the most precious thing that you can share. And as a bonus, I will share with you my custom brush sets that I created, paper, color palette, my own font and my own pictures that I created. This class is great for intermediate level, actually, and for beginners, for anyone who is interested in watercolor art and Christmas postcard illustrations. And one more thing that I want to mention, your opinion and your feedback are very important to me. So feel free to tell me whatever you think about my class, or maybe suggestions what you would like to see during my next classes, and also you can leave it in discussion or review section, and I will be glad to see your own artworks and share my opinion about them. My dear art fellows, I can't wait to start this class, and definitely I can't wait to see what you upload to project section. So let's not wait, grab your iPad, Apple Pencil, and let's paint together.